Welcome to the class, my dear students. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss about the non-homogeneous differential equations. In the last lecture, we have done the homogeneous differential equations where we have to put the substitution as y is equal to vx and do the problem. Now, first, what is the standard form of non-homogeneous differential equation and what is the foremost condition, and then what are the steps involved in non-homogeneous differential equation solution I am now discussing in this lecture. So, the standard form is dy by dx is ax plus by plus c over ax plus by plus c, where all these coefficients are the constants. So, the foremost condition is the x coefficient in the numerator by x coefficient in the denominator must be equal to the y coefficients in the numerator and denominator, that is a over a is equal to b over b. This is the first condition for moving towards the method of non-homogeneous differential equation solution. Now let us take an example. Dy by dx is 2x plus 3y plus 5 over 4x plus 6y minus 10. Now here what is the x coefficient? 2. What is x coefficient here? 4. So 2 by 4 is 1 by 2 is equal to 3 over 6, which is equal to 1 by 2 again. So the condition is fulfilled. So we will proceed. We can proceed for solving the non-homogeneous by using the method. Okay. So here, unlike the homogeneous, in homogeneous we have done only a single substitution as y is equal to vx for all the problems. Whereas in the non-homogeneous, depending upon the problem, you have to take the substitution. For example, you have dy by dx is 2x plus 3y plus 5 over 4x plus 6y minus 10, suppose. Now here, you have to see this, the bigger coefficient. That means x coefficient is small here, 2 here, x coefficient is 4 here, right? So take the bigger number. Now, can you take any number which is common, so that you can write a multiple of the numerator? Like that we have to cross check. So here if you observe 2 is common. So 2x in plus 3y times of 2, and this common whatever you have taken, this is present in the numerator also. Now our job is to make this as the substitution. So what is your v? 2x plus 3y in the numerator plus 5, and in the denominator it is 2 times of v minus 10, because we have taken this as v. Okay. Let us now proceed to another one example. Dy by dx is 3x plus 4y plus 10 over 9x plus 12y minus 15. Again, the smaller coefficient is 3 among these two, correct? So let us see now whether in this can we write like this or not. In this 9 and 12, 3 is common. So I can write 3x plus 4y, which is present in the numerator also. So we treat this as v, and this becomes 3v, and 3v plus 10 and 3v minus 15 is the denominator. I hope it is clear, all of you. Now coming to another example, as dy by dx is x minus 3y plus 5 over 4x minus 12y plus 18. Again, the smallest one is x. So let us see here what is common. 4 is common. So x minus 3y, it is present in the numerator. So v plus 5 you can write here in the numerator, and 4v plus 8 you can write in the denominator. I hope it is clear what to take as the substitution. Okay. After understanding what is to take the substitution, we have to enter into one more thing, where this type of the fraction you will be facing in the solution of the non-homogeneous method of equations. So how to do this integral is a bit difficult, because you cannot do by term. You cannot split it as term by term. You cannot use any substitution method, and you cannot do any integration by parts also. So the only method we follow is a small technique we use here. We split this in this way. First 2 over 3. This is common always. We will write like this, plus. What we do is, this 3 multiplied by 1, this cross 1, diagonally this into this, minus this into this. That is what we will do. So 3 into 1, no, don't take x, okay. 3 into 1 is 3 minus 5 into 2 is 10. This is over this coefficient was the denominator x coefficient, which is 3. over this whole thing. Like this we will split it. That means 2 over 3. 3 minus 10 is minus 7 by 3 over 3x plus 5. Like that we will split the fraction. So let us take one more example. Let us take this as x plus 3 over 4x minus 7 something is there, suppose. How will we split? When you do 2 or 3 problems, it will be easy for you to do this. So now what is the first thing? It is x coefficient is 1 here, x coefficient is 4 here. So what we write here? 1 over 4 plus. Now what you have to do? This 4 into 3. What is 4 into 3? That is 12. Now put a minus. Always there should be minus here. Okay. Now what we have to do? This x coefficient into minus 7. So that is 1 into minus 7, which is minus 7. So we put minus 7. Please understand, there is a minus always, and whatever you are getting here, that you have to write over this whole thing divided by this coefficient. What is the denominator? X coefficient we have to write, which is equal to 4 whole divided by 4x minus 7. So how will you rewrite this? 1 over 4. Now it is 12 plus 7 is 19. So it is 19 over 4 over 4x minus 7. Like that you can split it. I'll do one more problem for your understanding. For example, I have an equation, a fraction as like this. Suppose 3x minus 8 something over 2x minus 7 something is there, suppose. Now again what you write? First thing is 3 over 2, first one. So this is 3 over 2 first plus. Now you have to take, what is the first one is this one, minus 8 into 2, which is minus 16. So it is minus 16. Now minus. Now what you have to do? You have to do this as 3 into minus 7. 3 into minus 7. What is 3 into minus 7? Minus 21 over 2. Now this divided by this coefficient of x, which is 2. That has to be written here as 2. And then the denominator 2x minus 7. So how can we rewrite this as 3 over 2? And this is minus 16 minus of minus. So it is minus 16. The value will be minus 16 plus 21. So 21 minus 16 is what? It is 5. So it will be plus 5 over 2 over 2x minus 7. This is what the expression. Okay. For your understanding, I'll give you one more example, which is, let us take one more example as 5x minus 9 over, let us take some 3x plus 7 something. Okay. So what will you write first? 5 over 3 plus, now you have to multiply these two, correct? Minus 9 into 3, which is minus 27 minus, now again 5 into 7, this one. So it is 5 into 7 is 35 over, now the coefficient of x, which is 3. So that is over 3 over the denominator 3x plus 7. So how will you rewrite this as 5 over 3 minus 27 minus 35 becomes minus 62 over 3 over 3x plus 7. With this you could understand, now it is clear, I think so, how to split the given fraction. Now let us come to the problem how to solve the non-homogeneous differential equation. So let us take this problem as dy by dx is x plus y plus 1 over 2x plus 2y plus 3. So first thing is x coefficient is 1 by 2. Y coefficient here is 1 by 2. So we can apply the a by a is equal to b by b. So that is done. Now how can you rewrite this? 2x plus 2y can be written as 2 times of x plus y. So what is the substitution now? X plus y is the substitution. Y is equal to x plus y. So when you differentiate this with respect to x, x derivative is 1 plus y derivative is dy by dx. Now dy by dx becomes, now because we need only dy by dx in the equation, so we will take minus 1, subtract minus 1, so dv by dx minus 1. What we are going to do now is plugging these values x plus y and dy by dx in this equation 1. So what our equation 1 gives you, dy by dx can be replaced by dv by dx minus 1 and x plus y can be replaced by v plus 1 and this is 2v plus 3. Okay. Now there is dv by dx minus 1, correct? So let us send this minus 1 to the other side, which is v plus 1 by 2v plus 3 plus 1 can be written as, because plus 1 means you can write in the denominator as the same, means multiply and divide by this denominator, that is 2v plus 3. So what we get here, v plus 1 plus 2v plus 3 over 2v plus 3. So that gives you v plus 1 plus 2v plus 3 gives you 3v plus 4 over 2v plus 3. So now let us do the cross multiplication. dv, 2v plus 3 dv, 3v plus 4 dx. This into this and this into this are equal. Now what is odd here? 3v plus 4, right? It should come this side. So divide by 3v plus 4 is equal to integral dx. Now we are integrating this. So to do this integration, now we will come to the part that 2v plus 3 over 3v plus 4. This is what we did in the last page. What is that? 2v plus 3 by 3v plus 4. How can we split it? As I told you, first thing is 2 by 3 first we write, correct? It is 2 by 3 2 by 3 plus, now here what you have to take is 3 into 3, correct? That is 9. So that is 9 minus, again we take 4 into 2, correct? That is 8. 9 minus 8 over, now the coefficient of what? Denominator in the 3. So that is 3 over, the denominator is 3v plus 4. So how will we rewrite this? 2 by 3 plus 9 minus 8 is 1 by 3 by 3v plus 4. Like this we can rewrite. So now what it gives you? Therefore what is this? It is integral of, how can we rewrite this whole thing? We are going to express 2v plus 3v plus 4, 2v plus 3 by 3v plus 4 as this whole expression. So now we will write 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 by 3v plus 4 dv is equal to integral dx is x plus the constant. Okay. Now it is easy for us to solve the integral. So that is 2 by 3 comes out, integral dv is v plus 1 by 3 comes out, integral 1 over 3v plus 4 is what? ln of 3v plus 4 over 3 is equal to x plus c. So now that gives you 2 by 3 times of, what is our v? V is the substitution given by x plus y. This is what the substitution, correct? So now we write this as 2 by 3 times of x plus y plus 1 over 9. 3 multiplied by 3 gives you 9 ln of 3 times of x plus y plus 4 is equal to x plus c. This is what the way of writing the expression, the solution. This is the solution of the differential equation. I hope it is clear now. This is what the way of doing the homogeneous, non-homogeneous differential equation. Now let us solve one more problem. Let us have one more problem to understand the non-homogeneous differential equation solution now. Let us have, let us say this one. The second one is dy by dx is equal to 4x plus 6y over 2x plus 3y plus 5. So what is a by a? A by a means 4 by 2, correct? 4 by 2 is 2. Similarly, 6 by 3, which is also equal to 2. Therefore, this condition is fulfilled. Correct? Understood. Now we will proceed further. Now, how can we write? This is small coefficient that I said is 2x plus 3y. So, we can write the numerator as 2 times of 2x plus 3y. Correct? Which is 2x plus 3y is present in the numerator as well as in the denominator. Okay. So, now what is our substitution? We put v is equal to 2x plus 3y. So, what is dv by dx is given by x derivative is 2, 3 dy by dx. Now, what it implies from here? dv by dx, send this 2 to the other side, gives you 3 dy by dx. Now, we need only dy by dx, not 3, correct? So, we divide by 3. So, that is 1 by 3 times of dv by dx minus 2. So, this is what the substitution. Now, what we do? We plug all these values in this equation. Let us now call this as dy by dx is this. Call this as equation 1. So, now what is this one equation implies? You are going to write dy by dx will be replaced by this, and 2x plus 3y will be replaced by v. So, now it is 1 over 3 times of dv by dx minus 2 is equal to 2v by v plus 5. Right. So, now how will we rewrite again? From here, I can write this 3 has to go the other side. So, it is dv by dx minus 2 is equal to 3 times of 2v over v plus 5. So, that is dv by dx is equal to 3 into 2 is 6v over v plus 5 plus 2. Okay. Now, whenever there is a fraction and there is a number, what we have to do? We multiply and divide by the other denominator, v plus 5. So, now what it gives you? 6v plus 2v plus 10 over v plus 5. So, that is 6v plus 2v is 8v. So, 8v plus 10 over v plus 5. This is your dv by dx. What we do? We do the cross multiplication. That means dv, let us rewrite this whole thing. dv by dx is given by 8v plus 10 over v plus 5. So, we will do the cross multiplication like this and this. So, what it gives us? It implies v plus 5 times of dv is equal to 8v plus 10 times of dx. So, what we do now? We divide by 8v plus 10. So, that is v plus 5 over 8v plus 10 dv is equal to dx. Now, let us integrate. Now, what is this? This is a fraction, right? Again, we know how to do this fraction in an easier manner. That is what? First v coefficient is 1. So, denominator is 8. 1 by 8 plus. Now, what we have to do? This into this. 5 8s are 40. That is 40 minus this into this. That is 10 into 1. So, this gives you minus 10 over the denominator coefficient is 8 over 8v plus 10. So, you can write this as 1 over 8 plus 40 minus 10 is 30 by 8 over 8v plus 10. So, now we have to solve this integral. Now, this whole thing v plus 5 by 8v plus 10 is being expressed as like this. So, let us write now this as 1 by 8 plus 30 by 8 over 8v plus 10 dv is equal to integral dx is x plus the constant. So, what it gives us? 1 by 8 times of integral dv is v plus 30 by 8 times of What is 1 by 8v plus 10 dv? It is ln of 8v plus 10 over 8 is equal to x plus c. So what is this gives you? 1 by 8 times of what is v? We have taken as a substitution what? 2x plus 3y. So it is 2x plus 3y plus 30 over 8. It's a 64 times of ln of 8 times of 2x plus 3y plus 10 is equal to x plus c. This is the solution. Since it is the longest method, you have to practice many times, then only you will get the idea to solve these problems. So here the strategy is you have to understand what to take. First of all, the condition is important and what is to be taken as v is important, and the next thing is how to split the fractions is important, like this, and then apply one by one how to do the solution. I hope it is clear. With this, I will wind up this class for non-homogeneous differential equations. So we have done in the differential equation solution, variable separable method is over, homogeneous is over, non-homogeneous method is over. In the next class, I am going to take the class only on linear differential equations. What is the standard form of linear differential equation and how to solve it? The method of solving the linear differential equations I will be discussing in the next class. Thank you.